Good morning. It is early, like 4:30 early, but we got some car parts. Those are always good to see this to start the day off. Empty trailer. No, not as empty. And don't really know what you are, but hey, you're metal. All right, let's get out here. Let's see what else is on the sides of the roads. Still a little on the darker side, but we do got a street lamp, so I'm not gonna turn on the light for it. All right, got us a grill. Bottom's gone. That's fine. We can manage. It's a light one. I'm not gonna lie. That rotor's probably heavier than that grill is. But as I say, we got room for activities. Use this to trap it in here. Yeah, I like it. Chair. Shoe boxes. This can be it. See, that thing's working okay. Well, I say that and then it moves over. We'll still play with it. I about missed it. I about missed it that time. What else? Anything else in here that's good? Headlights? No. Anything down there? Looks like another headlight. No, that's about it. Got a CD drive and Power Edge Dell Xeon. It is actually a server. Oh, the grill decided to take a nap. We'll get it fixed when we get to the point that we need to fix it. This all insider. So they took out the hard drives, which is fine. That's fine. RAM still there, CPU still there. A bit dated, it seems, but we want it for scrap anyway. Got the old shampooer here. Looks like it failed, so they threw the carpets out. We're gonna move it down here to this pile because there's some metal down here, and we want that too. Want my cord. See if you're riding here today. Mini water jug. No, it's not one of those. I had one of those once upon a time. Ready to go. Yeah. Helmet, might need that where I'm going. See that $100 bill down there? No, I'm just playing. Give her a check for the stainless ability of this one. Nope. Plastic. The Clorox brand broom. And I'm eyeballing this pet safe thingamajig. Don't really know what it is just yet. What are these? filters. I don't know. It's going with me in the truck like it is. My wife does the pet thing, I don't. Maybe metal? Yeah, it's metal. Okay. Or is it? Yeah, it's metal. Okay. Give this a gander. Those real big ones, actually, I've been watching some videos and they've been, somebody's been through here. Somebody cut a cord. That's so nice and neat right there. Oh. I've seen a bed rail, seen the water hose. So it's worth the stop. It's worth the look. It's only one bed rail though. Oh no, there's the other one, isn't it? No. Oh. We got one end of the water hose. Mine. See if we can find the other end. Paint cans. I was like, there it is. Then I realized that's the end I just cut. Is it up under here? Was it in front of my face? No, somebody's already cut the other end. What a strange day so far. Half cut water hose, cords that are cut. Well, we'll continue. Check. Give her the old magnet test. Make sure we don't got no aluminum on our hands. That's a negative. First fan of the day. Oh, this is one of those. That's pretty actually cool. Actually, I'm sorry. Getting sidetracked. Let's get these blades broken. Makes me think this is actually plastic instead because it's braced. Take a look inside the box for any kind of little straggler, little pieces of anything. Stragglers, yep, there they are. Somebody told me that 9 times out of 10 there's like always a few little stragglers in these things. I'm willing to bank that. I'm willing to say, yeah, you're right. Guess I could have put fan blades in there, right? You can have a seat there. Gonna take a look. Looks like there's some things here. It's actually kind of nice. Ooh. Ooh. Got some headphones. I think that whole thing's coming with us, my friends. I think the whole thing. I mean, that's even full. What's this? There's a Nintendo DS charging cord. Where's the DS at? Maybe in here at some point in its lifetime. Not now. We'll take it off. Some oven mitts. That goes this way. Brand new HEPA filter. We'll leave that. Knowledge is power, from facts and experience. Just think about that. Compared to $50, $29.99. I'm gonna break it by the time I get it home. Yeah, nice little stop. Like the big box of wires, I always like those. And we got some metal. We know about all of that. We can see that. Brass? No, metal. I didn't know they made them out of metal, but I can go back here. I can go there. Normally don't like taking the mops, but we're here. We got a decent looking shovel. I said that until I just threw it. Maybe not so decent. Sock. Pickaxe. Some aluminum. Cord of some sort. Get cutters. Make easy work of this. Snip, snip, snip. Take a little rack. Those are empty. No, those are pellets. That one empty-er. All right. Oh, that's heavy. What is that? Paint cans. A good old ironing board. I know what that is. It's metal. Aluminum? No. Plastic. Alright. Make this look a tad bit better than we... I mean, it actually looks pretty good right now, but... that's... Look, it's busted there too. Somebody tried to weld it at some point, I guess. Y'all see anything else? Good little stop. That's an interesting light. It's all wanting to come apart actually. We just want the cord for now. The metal for second. I left my cutters. Second pair out. Arguably sharper, actually. I was gonna check this just to be sure that we're not. Okay. Smalls are adding up. Still don't know about that. Well, as y'all can see, I kind of started to make it make sense. It's just that time. Sorry. It's just that time to kind of get everything a little organized. Just in case. We do have a grill here. And I seen something in the trash can that I think we want. So this was the idea of getting it all kind of cleaned, if you will. Slide it in right here. Maybe. Nope. It's gonna be too tall. Scrap. Does not have to be pretty. All right. I'm gonna show y'all what I seen over here. The grill's here. I don't know what that is. We'll take a look in a second. Trolling motor. I don't know if it works or not. And now this. It's empty. It's empty. Oh well. I'm gonna finish getting all this loaded up. I may throw a strap on it just to kind of keep everything where it is currently, which is here. And yeah, continue this journey that we got. Why aren't you working for me? So this is kind of what we came up with. Is it perfect? Hopefully it's going to hold the majority of it. It's taut, so it could be a little bit more compact, but apples, oranges. Yeah, it's a gate of sorts here. I don't call them dog gates no more, even though that's the majority of what they're used for. Because little humans also. Well, this one's broke, but yeah, y'all get the concept. A slippery slope type situation here to where, but I think I seen something. Oh yeah, we did. The Black & Decker brand. I thought I seen something. I wasn't sure. You're not sure until it's in the truck. But, you know. What in the contraption deal is this? Oh, that's cool. I did not even know these things existed. Keeping it. It's officially mine. Alright, let's continue. Seen these in the road, and so I'm like, hey, we'll stop and throw that. And then I think I see a fan. No, it's not a fan. What are you? Not scrap. But it's worth the stop. Get some of this stuff up. That don't smell great. Let's get on down the road. Dog just saying good morning, and this came up on our doorstep right now, so we got room. I mean, realistically, it could just sit on there. That's full of water. Absolutely full of something. See what's inside of it. If it's full of if it's full of water, there's really nothing we can do about it, really. That is full of concrete. Like it is. It is concrete, y'all. Where a sawzaw would be great, right? Zip, zip, and be done. There's just no way I can do this without one, so. Oh well, it is what it is. And they're progressively getting smaller. But this one's like compact. This one's like good to go. We got room, we'll take it. They have the smalls. Wow. See if this is stainless. I doubt it. Yeah. No stainless here. Rice cooker probably. And then the good old crock pot. Nothing really. See, I'm gonna go get something. Snip, snip. It's no washing machine, no dryer, but it is a filing cabinet. Are we empty before I just start snatching in? We are empty. Oh. No real rhyme or reason currently. We'll get it put right here. Right here looks good. These could have more weight than you actually think. And when you go and snatch one and you're like, hey, it's got a little bit of weight to it. But it's a nice addition to the trailer currently. I like it. It's probably gonna fall. Do that. It's okay. Worst case scenario, we'll clean this section out, move it down, strap it around. I think it's metal. Yeah, no, it's metal. Part of me was thinking maybe it was wood. It's very light metal. Told you it was gonna go to sleep on us. Yeah, no, that's super duper light. I mean, see if we can. Probably there's good enough. I mean, I guess if we get enough smalls, it'll fill the trailer, right? Just a simple pole, just to stop, you know. All right. And then this stuff actually is more smalls. Let's see here. Filing cabinet. I can go right home. Show it who's boss. I'm sorry. Got a few more little pieces. Get it all. Nice. Another stop. This time we got some weed eater action. This one has seen better days. That's actually all metal too. Let's see what we can do to get that apart. That one's definitely seen better days. Maybe it was part of this. Do I got my screw gun? I should have my screw gun, right? That's actually good heavy stuff. Bring it back. Told you I'd bring it back. See if we can zip these out. Take it all. That top part actually had really good weight to it, so it's actually some heavy steel considering that they normally make this stuff out of cheapness. Bring you together now. All right. I did see a fan and a chair, but that's good enough for us to say, hey, what all's here? I did actually just see another strapper out. So, come on. Finish that off in just a second. Put the metal here. That's not. Some metal there. Some metal in the bag. Kim. Okay. There's something metal in there. Let's get this itemized, checked in. See what we can do here. There is something in there. I haven't done no bag digging in a minute, have I? We got foamage. What are you? That's not what I want. That's what I want. No rippage, no tears. Come on. Come on. Coffee maker? Keurig. Let's go get some snips. The super sharp ones. Check. All right. Now. Check. It's already been cut. One more quick walk around. Close. More close. I think we're pretty good, my friends. I think wrong. Yeah, a little something. A little something, something. You don't want it. Off you go. Aluminum maybe? All right. I'm beginning to think it's all cans. Yeah, it's all cans. I mean, I appreciate it. That's pretty cool of them, actually. It'd be nice if more people done that for real. Got another small here. Trailer's looking decent today. We are actually almost done. We got out so early today. We're kind of ending the route a little earlier than normal, but when you lay in there in bed, nothing to do, and then the time comes around to where you get out and kind of go, just go have fun, enjoy yourself. Kind of where I was at today. Cans are still cool, by the way. See some poles, and I see one of the garage door openers. We see some things. Is what I'm saying. We see some things. Plastic. These are metal. That is, yeah, I know I don't normally pick up mounts, but I figure with the day of being such a small day, as far as just nothing but smalls, why not, right? Why not? Let's pick up some small stuff. Well, those are heavy. What is that? Glad I had gloves on for that. That wouldn't have felt great. I dropped a piece. See what else we got going on here. Got some bike helmets, some hardware. Nothing to really write home about there. Found some belts. And now the bigger item. I see some aluminum over there too. I don't know how I missed that. Let's see here. Let's see what we can do. I may take the time and take the motor. I don't know. How many bolts hold you in? 4. And then this bracket comes out. Don't know. Get something to cut this cord and then I'll debate on the motor. Let's get our little bit of aluminum before I forget it. We did do the little bit of surgery to get that out. My battery about died, so that was about a bad decision, but yeah, I know. I'm gonna go ahead and strap this across, kind of keep it steady. So other than that, we're gonna clean up our mess, go about our business, and continue with the ride. Well, I've already took a look at it. It's all aluminum. So we're gonna start loading up aluminum, and I'm hoping that I can get it all on the back of the truck right here. If not, we'll figure something out. But it's all clean. It's all ready to go. It may be one of those things that we just kind of cash out on it today, because it's gonna be a decent pay amount. I said it's all clean, but there's a screw there, screw there, but it is a lot. I'm thankful for that. Well, as you can tell, the camera's dead. I did have to take off some of these. We got it up here, but the door and the windows are aluminum, so I'm hoping that someone can get a somebody can come and get use out of that. Now I did look at maybe peeling this stuff off, like as you can see, but man, it will be, I think, a job and a half, to be honest. And then you gotta, I don't know. Thoughts? I'm gonna go as number 2. I guess I'm gonna, the GoPro's dead, by the way, so I'm gonna charge the GoPro one, kind of, I guess, play with this stuff a little bit more. I got us about 50% battery, so we should be able to kind of, I'm not gonna say finish, but go to the scrapyard. I did get the aluminum unloaded. we did peel the panels, and I mean the homeowner came out and he helped me. So he also had some black trash bags. We got all the styrofoam picked up and everything. Super nice guy. He was actually happy to see it getting recycled. If I ever have like a, what is it, a dumpster, if you will, that's what, then I'd start taking, you know, doors and windows, and I just bust the glass in the dumpster, and you know, we'll be good on that. But I don't have that yet, so I imagine it's not that hard. But the problem is disposing of glass. I'm not a fan of not knowing how to or where to take the glass. But I did get the microwaves processed, the computer processed, drop off the aluminum, got the wires done. I've been busy while the GoPro's been charging, so I'm not gonna talk a ton, but we're gonna go down here. I'm gonna get this unloaded, see what it weighs and what it pays, and I might have to do an aluminum run soon. Now, the problem with that is I've been normally taking it to Montgomery. Montgomery pays a little better, you have to sort a little more. At my yard that I normally go to, they pay flat one rate for all the aluminum. They don't separate it. So caveat to that is you do get one price for it all, but they don't do like extrusion or cast or anything like that. It's all one price. I'm gonna get a price check while I go today to kind of see where it's sitting, to see if it's close enough, because gas is about $4.60 currently. Right now it's like $4.54 when I put some in this morning. And if it's 35 cents here and then it's 45 cents for, you know, extrusion in Montgomery, there's just no point for that 10-cent difference, to be honest. So I'm gonna check prices on that. Enough of my jibber jabbering. I'm gonna plug the GoPro up for a little bit longer. I do have a charger in the truck. It's slow, but yeah, we're on the way to the yard. Well, until I get to know Noah better, then we're gonna kind of not be recording just right off the rip. 680 pounds, still the same price, $57.80. Not too bad really on that load. Didn't really add anything to it. I did add the one rim, or one tire and rim that we had left, and I cleaned out the microwaves and the computer. That's it. I'll be doing an aluminum run. I checked prices here. It's 30 cents across the board, as I thought it would be, somewhere around in that range. Montgomery, I did give them a call. They are paying 10 cents more for cast, but aluminum rims are 50 cents. Chrome rims are 25 cents, and that's both locations. So 15 cents a pound more if I go to Montgomery, and it takes about an hour round trip. I don't think so. I mean, I just don't think it's worth it with the gas prices like they are. So we're gonna do aluminum here this time. I do my wire here anyway. They price me cheaper in Montgomery on wire, and if I'm gonna do wire, I might as well do that. I'm about half full on that, so that'll be on the next video though. And I do hope you enjoyed this. It's a little bit of work today. Killed the GoPro. I killed the batteries in my drills. Met a new guy. Thank you for helping me with the aluminum stuff, and he knows the channel name, so hopefully he'll join us. But I hope you enjoyed it. Until next one, like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.